Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Today we're in here in our bathroom and we've got a sink that doesn't drain well. Now in this particular case, this is our spare bathroom and our cats drink out of this sink a lot. And I suspect it's just clogged up with cat hair. But either way, it doesn't drain well. So today we're going to show you how to clean that to get it draining better. I'm going to show you how to take the plunger out and clean it, put it back in. And you know, DIY with Wayne is all about helping you learn how to do things yourself to save money. So if you're interested in saving money, subscribe to our channel. We'll help you with that. All right, let's go fix this drain. I'm going to start out by showing you the problem. Obviously there's cat hair down in here. That's normal, but you know, like I said earlier, our cats drink here and they're really about the only ones that use this sink, so I don't worry too much about this. But I'm not going to worry about this little bit of cat hair here right now. It's what's under the drain that's the problem. If I turn the water on, you can see the sink just kind of starts filling up, even though the plunger is up as far as it'll go. It just doesn't drain well. And if I cut the water off, it does go down, but it goes down real slow. And that's what we're going to fix today. Now the part that controls the plunger in the bottom of your sink is this lever right here. That's open to let it drain, that's closed to stop it. What you want is in about the middle, and you unscrew this thing and you pull that out. See, there's all kinds of crud on there. So now you can pull your stopper out of the bottom of the drain. And this is what we got. So that's all the crud that's stopping up our drain. So I'm going to clean that out and we'll put it back in. Now your plunger rod doesn't normally look this bad, but this one's probably 30 years old, so it's pretty rusty and probably ought to think about replacing it. But when you reinstall your stopper, and this is a stopper, the little thing here, you put that hole toward the back, like that. If you can see how I'm holding that, I'm kind of working under my sink. It's hard for me to see what the camera sees. But you put it in the sink that way, and then you work this rod in so it goes in that hole. If you turn it this way, you may have trouble with it not working as well. You need it turned this way, and that's what I'm going to do. This can be kind of difficult to do, but that's what I got to do. Get that in there right. Pull my nut back up here, tighten it back down. And the tighter you tighten this, the more difficult it will be to raise and lower your rod at the top to open and close the plunger. However, if you got it too loose, it may leak on you. So you do need to kind of snug it up a little bit. I'm going to take my pliers and just a little bit of that, not much. And that'll raise and lower the plunger. Now to demonstrate what a change there is, I'm going to turn the water on. As you can see, the water's just going down the drain. Now if I pull the plunger, that stops up the drain, it starts filling up with water. And if you remembered before when I did that, it did start filling up, but when I pushed the plunger back down to open the drain, it just sat there. And now it drains like it's supposed to. So that's a good quality fix. Now if you run into a scenario where that doesn't fix your problem, it could be the trap. If you noticed a black pipe down below this part under the sink, that can be clogged as well, but that's a different video and we'll link to that below. So if you find this interesting and helpful, please click like and share it with your friends, and if you would, subscribe to our channel because it really helps us grow. So we'd just like to say thank you for visiting Do It Yourself with Wayne, and we hope you have a great day.